The observable universe stretches across 93 billion light-years, containing over 2 trillion galaxies. Statistically, this volume of space should be crowded with life, advanced alien civilizations, and constant interstellar chatter. Yet when we point our radio telescopes toward the deep expanse, we hear nothing, just a cold, chilling, perpetual silence. This contradiction, the gap between what the math predicts and what we actually see, is the Fermi Paradox. Where is everybody? Most scientific explanations try to soften the blow, suggesting that aliens are simply too far away, or that life is much rarer than we think. But a framework known as the dark forest theory suggests a far more sinister reality based on the laws of cosmic sociology. In this model, the universe isn't empty. It's a crowded room where every occupant is terrified to make a sound. To understand this silence, we have to accept 2 absolute laws. First, the primary goal of any civilization is survival. Second, civilizations expand exponentially, but the total resources in the universe remain strictly limited. These laws create a state of permanent, inevitable friction. As civilizations grow, they eventually compete for the same finite energy and matter. In a universe where growth is infinite, but the fuel is not, every new neighbor is a potential threat to your future. This transforms the universe into a pitch-black forest at midnight. If you are a hunter moving through the trees, you have to assume the woods are filled with others. Within this zero-sum game, revealing your coordinates is a catastrophic strategic vulnerability. Any signal you send acts as a beacon, inviting competition you cannot afford to ignore. This raises a question. Why can't civilizations simply talk to each other and form a peaceful alliance to share those resources? The barrier to peace is a physical one, dictated by the speed of light. It's called the chain of suspicion. Interstellar distances are so vast that a single hello takes centuries to arrive. By the time you receive a reply, the information is already hundreds of years out of date. You have no way to verify if their intentions are still peaceful, or if they were ever peaceful to begin with. The risk is compounded by the nature of progress. A civilization that appears primitive today can undergo a technological explosion, bypassing centuries of your own development, while your message is still crossing the void. Because benevolence cannot be proven in time, the only mathematically sound survival strategy is to eliminate any newly discovered neighbor before they have the chance to surpass you. While the rest of the cosmos remains silent, to survive, humanity has spent the last century acting like a loud, careless child screaming in the middle of these woods. Since the dawn of the television age, we have been leaking our existence into deep space. Every unshielded broadcast we produce radiates into the void, traveling at the speed of light in every direction. We amplified this footprint with high-powered military hardware, blasting radar waves out into the dark as a byproduct of our terrestrial defense systems. Then we went a step further. We launched Voyager 1, a spacecraft intended to serve as a direct broadcast to anyone who might be listening. We physically attached a golden record to the hull, intended for an alien audience. It's an invitation that contains our DNA structures and our music. Most importantly, it contains a map. By using distant pulsars as landmarks, this etched disk provides the exact cosmic coordinates of Earth. We sent our home address into the dark, hoping for a friendly reply. But if the laws of cosmic sociology hold true, that record isn't a message of peace. It's a targeting beacon. The next time you look at the stars, don't wonder why they are so quiet. Be grateful for the silence and hope that the hunters haven't found us yet.